Alright, so this is Black Cow by Steely the first song from the Asia album. So that's kind of the main verse riff. We're really going to start in the intro with this. So that's a 17 to 20 hammer-on the E string. I do that twice. And then we're going to come to this C7 chord. It's going to be 8 on the D string, then 9, 8, 8. And we're going to hammer into the 10th fret of the 2nd string. And we do that twice, just like that first bit went. And then we're into that verse thing. Okay, for the verse, this chord here comes from a C9 chord, C7, 9. So this is, we're not going to use this C bass up here, but we're going to use these other ones. I'm going to use these fingers because we got to slide it. Normally you would use these, but we have one note where we got to hit underneath the slide riff, the sliding chord. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use these sets of fingers. So I'm going to be on 8 with the ring finger, 7 with the middle finger on the G string there, 8 on the 2nd string with the pinky, and I'm going to slide up 2 frets and back. Okay, that's our main riff. So we got. Now the second time we go, we hit the little 8 down here after we did the slide up to the 10, 9, 10. So we got. Let me do it again. That time we're going to add this chord here. We got 5 on the big one, nothing on the A, and then 5, 6, 6. Now here we're going to do the 5, 5, 5, 5 from the A string down to the B string. Okay, so that was. And then an E7 sharp 9, like Jimi Hendrix chord. So that's 7 on the A, 7, 6, 7, 8. So it's. Then we got one more chord here. It's like that last one, but we reverse these two. So we put the pinky on the 3rd string and the ring finger down here on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. So it's 6, 5, 7, 6. Okay, so once again we had 3, 4. Let me do it all again. And then we get into a change here. We're going to have this chord here. Steely Dan does a lot of, like this is part of a D, but it has an E bass. So they'll put like the 2 in the bass. Get a really cool sounding chord. Okay, so on this one we're going to go. Okay, so it's like a down, down, up, down, kind of an accent. I wrote little exclamation points on the tab. Check out this tab and download it if you want. Makes things a lot easier. So anyway, I'll have the accents with like an exclamation point. So those accents will give you the spots where they punch it louder and you hear it louder in the mix. Okay, so we got down, down, up, down, and that's an accent. So we're kind of going slow after that accent. Up, down, up, down. We got another accent, so it's. Here we had kind of quicker ones. Ba-dum, da-dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Just kind of easy, filling out the space at the end there. So 3, 4. Okay, then we're into the chorus. I'm going to do this A major 7 like this with the 4 on the bottom. So I've got a thumb up here. You could just go like this. 5, mute, 6, 6, 5. Kind of your standard major 7 chord with the bass on the big string. But if you flip around like this, you get more notes in your chord. You get that 4th fret down here. We got thumb on the bass there. So we got. Here we have 5 on the D, 7, 7, and 5. Okay, so our first chord. Now here we're gonna have. So that's 10 on the D, 9, 8, and 7. That's a C major 7 chord right here. And this was a G major 7. So we had A major 7. This is a type of G major 7. See, that's a G9 actually too. Then we got the C major 7. Back to A major 7. At the end of that, when we go back to the G major 7, so it's like. We have another chord, 4, 6, and 4 from the D string down to the B. And then we go. That's 7, 6, 6, and 5. That's your raised 9 on the E flat, 6, 5, 6, 7. We got all 7s there from A down to B strings, just like those 5s earlier. Then we have a chord. Some of these you're going to have not a string in between. You might finger pick some of these. So this one I've got 4 and then nothing on the D and then 4, 5, 5. And then we get into the big black cow. We got those 3 chords. So that's going to be a F sharp minor 7, 9 on the A, 9, 11, 9, 10, 9. That's an E7, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. And then we're going to a D major 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 5. So it's big black cow, and get a couple more strums on that one. So here we have a chord 5 on the A and then 5, 5, 3 on those bottom 3 strings. So that's a C with the D bass. We have accents on the ands of all these. So we have 2 measures of this. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go up to the 8, 8, 8, and 6. And then we punch up these 8, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. And we're back into that sliding thing, so it ends up being like. So let's look at the change in the chorus again. We had chorus. This time we won't do the, because we're moving down to this different chord, this kind of a G9 chord down here. We're gonna get into the piano solo, so just slide into this chord quick. Just let it ring out for a while. And then we're gonna go. So up 2 and back. And then we have a chord change where we're going up, and that's the new chord, so it won't go back. Then we have 3 chords here. We have. Okay, so that was 6, and then nothing on the A, and then 6, 8, 8. And then starting on the A string, 5, 4, 4, 5. And then big 6, skip the A, and 6, 6, 4. Okay, so we had those 3 chords there we had. We're gonna get into a D7, 9 funk chord here. We've got the D note, 5th fret of the A string. We got 5, 4, and then we take that ring finger and get 5, 5, 5. We gotta bend that all the way down there. So this one's gonna have the accents on the 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it's still gonna have like 1 and 2 and so it's like 1, 2, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 4. Slide up to 2 frets there. Now we have 3 more chords after that. We have. Okay, so we had 8, and then 8, 9, 6 on the bottom 3, so that's 8 on the 5th for the bass. Then we had 5, 7, 7, 7, G major 7, and then we had this 8 with 8, 8, 6. So see, that is like an E flat chord, but with the F bass. So these last 3 again were. And then we get to the change. The change was the 7 with 7, 7, and 5. But we're gonna have that thing where we accent the ands on this one. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're into the chorus. So this time after the big black cow, we're gonna go into the chorus again. going to be the repeat fade chorus at the end. So we have a chord at the end that's new. Big 3, and then nothing on the A, and then 4, 4, 5. Like a G major 6 kind of thing. G major 13 kind of thing. Okay, so once again, this last repeat chorus is going to be your A major 7. You got that G9, C major 7, A major 7. And that's that G kind of 13 thing. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, Black Cow, Steely Dan. Let's take a quick look at everything we had. And then our verse was. Okay, all that happens again, and then we get into the change, which is going to be 7, 7, 7, 5. Okay, then we get into the kind of chorus thing. Okay, another verse, and then we get into the piano solo. We had. And then chord change. And then we had 3 chords. And then we had. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three chords, and then we had this chord here. We had the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 chorus. This time we just go back to that. That whole thing repeats and fades out. All right, thanks for watching. Steely Dan, Black Cow. Talk to you soon.